Will Stellar XLM ever hit $1? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Stellar XLM? Stellar is a peer-to-peer decentralized network created in 2014 by the Stellar Development Foundation or Stellar.org. The network officially launched in 2015 with the purpose of connecting the world's financial systems and ensuring a protocol for payment providers and financial institutions. The platform is designed to move financial resources swiftly and reliably at minimal cost. Stellar links people, banks, payment processors, and allows users to create, send and trade multiple types of crypto. The basis of the network is its native digital currency, XLM or Lumens. XLM acts as an intermediate currency for operations and is also used to pay transaction fees. How it works. The protocol converts money in a few seconds, first into XLM and then into the requested currency. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Fees are a sticking point for many. However, high costs when making cross-border payments aren't just exclusive to fiat-based payment solutions such as PayPal. Transaction fees have also been known to go through the roof on the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains because of congestion. Stellar is unique because every transaction costs just 0.00001 XLM. Given how 1 unit of this cryptocurrency only costs a few cents at the time of writing, this helps ensure that users keep more of their money. Few blockchain projects have managed to secure partnerships with big brand technology companies and fintech firms. A few years ago, Stellar and IBM teamed up to launch WorldWire, a project that allowed large financial institutions to submit transactions to the Stellar network and transact using bridge assets, such as stablecoins. Although other blockchains have community funds, meaning that grants can be given to projects that help further the ecosystem, Stellar allows its users to vote on which ventures should be given this support. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of 65 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.